Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nook. Today I will show you an app called WannaKicks. This is an augmented reality app that is available in iPhone, using which you can try out various shoes, sneakers, footwear. So you go to this app, WannaKicks, then you just have to show your feet. And you can choose various products there, see if you can see. Then you can see the sneakers that I have. You can see it in the app, if you can see. Now if I say this, it will change it to the new sneakers and I can view it in the app, and if I want to buy it I can buy it from the store. It is available. So if I want to try it I can try it. So there are many apps, there are many things available here in the store. As you can see here, I can try out any of them. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.